Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and guess what? I have an unboxing here of something I should have unboxed a long time ago, okay? I'll give you a hint. It kind of looks like my hand. Okay, roses, so I have this box here. It is a package I ordered from Amazon. The date I ordered this, y'all, I had to check my Amazon orders. I ordered this on May 3rd, 2025. And today is what? July 7th. Yeah, I know. Telling you I'm not the only one who does this, but yeah, this box has been buried underneath stuff. Golly, sounds like they got a shrink wrapped up here. Okay, so this is the brand name. This is what it is. So let me go ahead and get this open. I want to do this really quick. It's another hot day here in Portland, Oregon, and it's supposed to get up to, I don't know, 90 degrees, something like that, but I need to go ahead and do this while I have no fan on and no air conditioning, y'all. So first off, I like the box. I like the packaging. It was securely in the package. I like these boxes with the little flip lids, and I like this. This is cute. A little what? Satchel? And this is not the general like mesh satchels. Okay, I'm gonna save this for last, even though we all know we want to see that. Let's see here. I got some nail tips. It says 120 pieces, professional. Why do they look narrow? For what I'm looking at, it looks like everything is size like, I don't know, size like 7. Small. Okay. And we have a holder for it. So this is good. Y'all, there's so many reviews on silicone practice hands on Amazon. It is ridiculous. I have been looking for silicone practice hands for so long, specifically in my skin tone. There's 1.5 million in other lighter skin tones, but you know what? When I want a realistic silicone hand, I need it to be my skin tone. So that's what I looked for. There's so many that look flimsy, so many that do not. It was just crazy. So I also wanted one that had a holder. I'm not sure how I'm going to use this. We will see. Anyway, enough about that. Let's get to the center of attention in all this. Okay. Let's take it out. Oh my gosh, it feels weird, y'all. It just feels weird. Wow. Okay, so the hand is cute so far. It does look pretty realistic. It's a little lighter than I wanted. I think this was the second to last of the skin tones that they offered. It looked a little bit more of a cooler brown color, but this is looking a little bit more like red. But if you know anything about just makeup period, it took so long for us, anyone with a skin tone like me, to not find foundations and powders without just a big red tint in it. So am I surprised? No. Okay, so oh my goodness, look at y'all, look at this. The first thing I noticed, the nail beds are all the same size. Now that part is not realistic because the thumb is never about the same size. Well, it's not the same size as the pinky, but it's like the same size as the middle finger and I don't know, it's not a huge difference. It's already getting dust on it because I did look at some reviews, and silicone practice hands do attract dust. So, oh my goodness, look at the palm, y'all. Look at the palm. Is this not realistic palm? It has like the wrinkles and whatever that be in her hand. All it needs is like darker lines, but look. And I got a right hand. Wow. Wait, is it the size of my, y'all? Look at this. It's the size of my hand. Now, I was not prepared for that. Oh, but look at this. That's crazy. Okay, so it feels, the quality seems nice. See, there I go getting something else on it. Wow, okay, so let's see if they, let's see if they bend. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh, this is so weird. I can't wait till my son come home. My youngest son, he probably, I wonder if this gonna freak him out. Like, y'all look at, you bend it and around her knuckle kind of puffs up. Wait a minute, do she got rheumatoid arthritis too? Oh my goodness. Wait a minute, is this some little veins? Is that supposed to be veins? Do y'all see that? There's like a line right there and a line right there. Is it veins? This is way too much. Her knuckles. Let me see. Ooh wee. Look like she broke her finger. So oh my goodness, all the fingers bend. Let me see. And it looked like they bend, and oh my goodness, can she do it? I may be getting too carried away, y'all, but let's see if she can make a fist. Yeah, I know I'm doing too much. Go ahead, girl. You never know when you're gonna have to knock somebody out. This is too okay. Okay, let's get your fingers together, girl, because you look like you've been through it. You look like your fingers hurt like mine. So we have this, and this will connect to my desk. Let me see this. Wait, what is this? This is a little, I don't know. Okay, so let me and that's moving around. I don't know. I don't think I did not get the cheapest one either, y'all. Okay, that's a whole lot of twisting. A whole lot of twisting. Let's just pretend this is the end of my nail desk, and this will go right there, and then I will tighten it up. Now, will it stay? Hopefully so. There looks like there's some padding right there. And this, what is this for? Oh, okay. This right here loosens this part up so you can turn it around. That, I want to make sure that the handle actually would turn around, that it was bendable. You know, this seems pretty sturdy. And then, let's see. This is probably self-explanatory, but stick that on here like this. Let me see. Wait, I think I need to pop it in there. I know y'all heard that snap. Okay, so it's popped in there, and then tighten it up. I am a little worried about this part in here, you know, like, will eventually get loose. I'm thinking so. But we'll see how long that lasts. Okay, so I need to get this behind there. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna attach it and then I'll be back. Problem is with this, the opening to this is about 3 inches. not quite wide enough as what I need, and I have this as wide as it will go, so I will not be able to attach this to my desk at all so far. So that's disappointing. I'll have to figure something else out. I guess an earring wanted to join. Okay, so this is what I end up doing. I just stuck this part behind my desk, and it's up against the wall kind of, but as you can see, it's moving around because it's just not attached to anything. And then the box that came in, I have it sitting on here. The struggle. And as you can see, she already got stuff on her, and we're gonna call her Miss Imani. A little backstory on that name. When I used to work for a credit investigations department, my name, I used to sign my letters that I sent out to people. My fake name was Miss Imani. So that's her name. So when I start saying her name, you guys are paying attention to this part, you know what her name is. Oh, and if you have held on for this long in the video, I want you to go ahead and type out her name in the comments. Miss Imani. And Imani is spelled I-M-A-N-I. Because the only client I'm working on is Miss Imani. She is my one and only client besides myself. These nails are narrow, so the nail bed is not realistic, which is a shame because basically I'm going to have to just get stuff that's meant for her hands, and I don't, you know, her hands is the same size as my hand, but the nail beds, I don't think so. And let's see how far back this nail bed goes. Okay. Does this go back very far? Ooh wee. Okay. Well, it's in there. I think it's stopping right there. I mean, that's a good length. But I want to have these all the way already in here. And then I want to be able to attach a nail to a tip. But the problem is the nail bed is so skinny. Ooh wee, I'm gonna have to figure that out, y'all. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So let me pull this out. Let's see how far back it went. Okay, it went that far back, which, you know, it's okay. It's very, seems very sturdy. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do about how small this is. What are we gonna do, Miss Imani? I don't know. So if you have any suggestions of what to do, I can't send this back. It's I like the hand. I wish it was a little bit, darker. But I do like this hand a lot. It doesn't seem flimsy whatsoever. I could, open this up. I know that Kiara's Creations and also Parker's Pretty Paws, both Kiara and Ashley have cut around here, did a little what did Kiara call it? A little hand operation. I think that's what Ashley said. And cut around there to make the nail beds bigger. But I'm scared to do that right now, y'all. I just got this, once Miss Imani gets used to me doing her nails, and I may feel more comfortable cutting this off a little bit further back so I can get some real size nail tips. I have this to practice with because I don't want to do my nails all the time. And in the meantime, if I don't have a hand rest, I can just put some material on top of this, some type of nice looking fabric, and put some stuff in the box so the box don't move. Put some rocks in it or something. Look, around here we work with what we have, okay? If I don't gotta spend no money on it, I'm not going to. Let me know what you think. Other than that, I like the hand. I really do like the hand. Look at Miss Imani. She looked like she got a little swelling though going on in her knuckles. But you know what? She's like me. Our hands been through some stuff. So anyway, Miss Imani and me will talk to you later. Oh, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone, and leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, me and Miss Imani will talk to you later.